If I hire Insight for quality inspections, what information do I need to give you to get a quote?
So we would need to know things like where's the factory located, and we would need some information about your product and about the things that you want to check on your inspection checklist, as well as your AQL levels, because that's going to impact the number of products that get checked and how much time it takes.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.